Ernie bike. You want to do yours?
Don't break it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Uh-oh, no way.
That's how I do it. I go like this. Oh man, I can't. On mine, I took this off after I make it, and I'd use it like a slingshot and throw ice like that.
Charlie keeps this in his room.
Kyle keeps his in his basement.
Which is like my room. I used to live down there.
You
Stop
used to.
Ready? Don't try not to get my bike.
You gotta get a good look at it. Oh yeah, walk right in front of me.